Hi, here we are required to solve an initial value problem. We're given that dy with respect to x, if we take 5 across, is x. Then we can see right from here that now our equation is in its standard form. Dy dx plus p of x, y is f of x. This is a standard form for a first order differential equation. So we can see from here that our p of x is minus 5. So we managed to put it in its standard form. We put our differential equation in its standard form. Then secondly, we find an integrating factor. So our integrating factor will be e exponent, integrate p of x with respect to x, which is e. We set our p of x here is a minus 5, so it will be minus 5x. This is our integrating factor. So the next thing we do, we multiply by our integrating factor. Both sides of this equation. We can see that this part, this left hand side, is same as when we are looking for a derivative of e times y. So the right hand side remains as it is. So now if we integrate both sides, on the left hand side we're going to be left with e minus 5x exponent y f e exponent minus 5x multiplied by y. Then this part here is going to be with respect to x. So now what we do, we choose which part to integrate and which part to differentiate between these two products of these functions. We choose which one to differentiate first. Okay, let's make it red. Let's choose a red pen. So x, the function of x is easy to differentiate. If we take a first derivative, we get an 1. If we take a second derivative, we get 0. Then again, e exponent minus 5x is easy to integrate. So if we integrate, we get e minus 5x divided by negative 5. If we take a second, if we integrate for the second time, okay. So now what we do next, we're going to multiply diagonally. Then when we reach a 0, a product of 0, we just integrate. We just integrate. So the alternating signs for these products It will be positive, negative, and positive. So let's see. So the first part is going to be negative 1 over 5 times x. Then we have again e exponent minus 5x minus the second product is e minus 5x over 25. Then this part here is just a product of 0 and e exponent minus 5x over 25. It will give us just a c. So the next thing we do, okay, let's choose a black pen. So the next thing we do now, we solve for y. If we solve for y, how do we solve for y? Okay. It's number 4. Step number 4. Solve y. How do you solve y? We're going to divide by e exponent minus 5x both sides of this differential equation. So now it is a solution. The solution will be y equals negative 1 over 5x minus, if you divide by e exponent minus 5x, we're left with 1 over 25 plus c exponent 5x. So we must remember now our initial condition. Our initial condition says when x is 0, y is 3. If we substitute this initial condition into our solution, into y is 3, x is 0, we're left with minus 1 over 25 plus ac. Therefore, y is equals to, no, c. We're still busy with c. C is equals to 76 over 25. So then our solution, finally our solution is as follows. Our final solution, which is a 1 parameter family, it's going to be y equals negative 1 over 5x minus 1 over 25 plus 76 over 25 e exponent 5x. This is our solution to the initial value problem. Thank you very much for listening.